welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In this particular video, we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. If you saw in my last video where I was preparing for the budget, then you pretty much know we're going to be stuffing $185 today. It's going to be a very small stuffing, but that's okay. All right, so before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed. All my new budget besties, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family, welcome to the community. I am so excited that you are here, and just thank you guys so much for the love and the comments. I mean, you guys don't know how encouraging you are. So when you take the time out to leave me a comment, trust and believe I do read each and every single one of them, and I try to make sure that I respond to each and every single one of them as well. So just thank you for, building me up, giving me those kudos, giving me the encouragement and the suggestions. They also help a lot. So I'm definitely going to be trying some of those things that you guys have put in the comments. So I just wanted to stop really quick and say thank you. You don't have to watch, you don't have to comment, you don't have to give a thumbs up, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to do anything. It is all free, but it's not free because it's taking your energy. So I appreciate that, and thank you so much. And leading into, I don't want these, like, I used to have church announcements on my channel. If you are super OG, then you remember church announcements, but I'm really trying to get to 17K subscribers. So if you are not subscribed here, please subscribe to the channel. We really want to build this community and just be encouraging. Here I share my real numbers. Some things I do keep private, but for the most part I share the real stuff, because we overcome by the word of our testimony. And so that is the reason why I share my real situations and how things are really going, because we're all people, we're all going through things, and I just want to be an encouragement to others. So I just wanted to note that if you're not subscribed, please do. We're going to be having a giveaway every 1,000 subscribers that we do get. So I am excited about that, and we're really close. I think we have let me see. We are as of right now, we are at 16,771. So we just need 229 more. I know we can smash that this month. I know we can. So, and then I also want to thank you, send a huge thank you to, there's a person, I'm going to put their information up here. They gave me a $5 super chat, and I had just ran across it one day. I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. Like, you didn't have to do that. Man, let me tell you guys, thank you. Thank you. I don't even know how that works completely. I know that you can give people like a tip, if you will, for the information that they're sharing, or, if you just want to be a blessing to them. And so I just want to say thank you. If you are watching, thank you so much for that super chat. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys. So this is what we are going to be stuffing, a total of $185. We're going to allocate $100 to groceries, $20 to toiletries, $15 to household, $45 to hair, and then $5 to giveaway. And that all came out to $185. I am using the Budget Mom cash envelope breakdown sheet, which you can find on her website. It is a part of her Budget by Paycheck workbook. Okay, so this is my bank bag that I use when I go to the bank, and I'm super excited. I did purchase a new bank bag, and I'm waiting for it rather to come in the mail. So as soon as I get it, I will be retiring this bag, but I will be saving it. My mother gave me this when I first started on my journey, and I forgot why she gave it to me, but I've started using it as a bank bag, so I will definitely be keeping that around. So I also have this teller sheet that I use when I go to the bank. The bankers love it, let me tell you. They love when you give them this. So let's count and make sure that all of our money is there.
Alright, so we got our 20s, 20, 40, 50, 81, 20, 40. So 140 plus 10, 20, 30, plus 5, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, all of our money is here, $185. So I'm just gonna put this sheet off to the side to remind me what money goes where. And first, what we're going to do, which is what we always traditionally do, is unstuff any money that we have left over. And so in groceries, I had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left over in groceries. And I'm actually going to roll this money over into next month because I had to usually I take $150 out for groceries, but I had to make some adjustments based on my budget. So I only took $100 out, and I'm gonna try to make that stretch for the next 2 weeks. So I'm gonna keep this $6 in here, and I'm just gonna add the 100. Usually what I would do is I would allocate that to a savings challenge, but in the future we will be doing that. So let's count what we got. 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $106. Do you guys think I can make this stretch? We're gonna have to make it do what it do, baby. Okay, so next is household, and household is gonna be getting $15. So that's gonna be getting a 10 and 5 ones. What I need to do with this money is I need to buy a couple of cleaning products so that I can clean my house, do a little deep clean. One day I'm gonna do it. I keep putting it off, but I mean, it's something that I don't like doing. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next is toiletries, and toiletries is gonna be getting $20. That's gonna get 2 10s, which you see here. Eating out is not gonna get any money this time. And then next is hair, and our hair envelope is gonna be getting $45, which we see here. All right, so our daily envelopes are complete. And this wallet is from So Crafty Sinai. She does have a YouTube channel here. I'll put her information down in the description box. And then this is my sinking funds binder. And we kind of just have everything coupled in this binder. I will be creating more envelopes, but as you guys know, I hate making envelopes. But right now, I'm gonna have to because I need to save money. All right, so in the giveaways, we're gonna be putting $5. So remember guys, subscribe to the channel so that we can have our giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So far we have $20 in our giveaway. Once we do hit 17K, whatever money that we do have in here, I'll probably do like a poll to see what people would want. I'm probably gonna do a gift card, and so it'll probably be like a option of a Target gift card, Amazon gift card, or let me see, where else do people shop a lot, or a grocery store gift card. So whichever one has the most votes will probably be the gift card that I will share, and then we'll start our giveaway envelope again. Now I know I was supposed to save $25, save $25 per paycheck, and for some reason it's not on here. I don't know why. That budget was a bit much. So I probably forgot to note it, or maybe I did, I don't know. I have to take a look at it. But anyway, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and remember, subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.